Welcome back to the channel where automotive and electronics comes together to form our passion. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a light bulb. Now I know what you guys must be thinking. Oh, you know what, Callum? How can you ask us to change such a stupid thing? Why are you making a video out of it? Well, majority of our modern day people don't even know how to change a light bulb, but they know how to do some complicated calculus. So let's get on with it. You might need to change a light bulb is a ladder long enough, sufficiently long enough to be able to reach the light bulb in question. The replacement light bulb. So if you don't know what the replacement light bulb will be, take out your existing one as I'll show you how to take it off, and then go to the store or the shop and get the replacement version and put it back on. So yes, you need a replacement light bulb. Remember that the bottom of the light bulb has different type of fittings. Sometimes you get the downlighter fitting, sometimes you get the pin type, and you also get the screw type fitting. And thirdly but not last is your carrying a portable light. If you're doing this at night, you need a light, especially because the light bulb wouldn't be working, obviously. And obviously the last thing to do is make sure your light switch is off. If you don't know how to switch your light off, switch your electricity off completely. If you don't know how to switch your electricity off and you're not confident, call your electricity department and ask them to switch the whole road off. Okay, the steps to changing your light bulb is as follows. Number one, make sure your mains are off or your light switch is off. If your light switch is off and you know it's the right light switch, that is fine. But if you don't know if it's the right light switch, then you want to put your mains DB switch off. If you don't know how to do that, then call the electricity department and ask them to put the whole road off. Once you're done with that, it's then time to get your ladder and make sure that your ladder can reach the light bulb and that it's open in a full and safe position. And now for the step 3 is to climb on top of your ladder. Hold your base of your light bulb, which is the top part that connects the light bulb together, and then if you got the screw type, you're gonna unscrew it, as you can see. If you got the pin type, well, you just do this. Okay, so guys, you're gonna have two types of normal light bulbs, which is the screw type, which I just showed you in the other video of me installing it, and you have this one, which is the pin type. I'll take it out now and show you. As you can see, it has two pins at either end and two dots on top. Now to put a pin type and take it out, the way you recognize is if you're unable to turn it like a screw type. So what you do is you just and hits a click like that and you pull it out. When you're putting it back in, you're going to push it in like that and you're going to turn it so it clicks into place and the pins line up with their holes to let go of it. And that's how you put the pin type. And if you got a downlighter, then you just do this. Now you also get a third type of light bulb, which is called the downlighter. The downlighter looks something like this. Now the downlighter basically has a cover over it that you can unscrew, or sometimes a wire that you unclip. So this one's the unscrew type. You're going to pull it out like that. Maybe it's a bit fiddly. And then you're going to have this wire hanging out as well. When you have this wire hanging out, you're just going to twist it like the pin type until you hear the click, and then this connector is out. Then you're going to have a downlighter with this weird fitting around it. So you're going to pull it up like that and take it out. Once you're taking out the light bulb and you put in your new light bulb, you're going to slide the new light bulb in just like that. Put the downlighters on, put the downlighter adapter on, and you're going to turn it the opposite way. And once it's turned in, you're going to then put it back in like that. Line up the cover on and you're going to turn it. If you have the wire one on like that, so it's locked into place. If you have the wire one on, you're gonna put the wire back in and clip it onto place.
Now to put the light bulb back is basically the reverse order of what you just saw. So this is your new light bulb. You're going to screw it back on. Remember, while holding the base on the top. Once you are done with that, you want to then try out the light. And that is a job well done. Once your light bulb is working in perfect condition, that is a job well done. You have successfully changed the light bulb. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more daily content, and as always, take care.